Hey guys, Lily's Touch once again. I'm going to show you guys how I cut this 12-inch bob into a layered bob but shorter. But first, watch this without using a tweezer. Perfect parting, crispy parting, quicker parting. I'm going to go ahead and do a middle part as well, just in case the person I'm doing the unit for would like to do a part in the middle. But when you are plucking without a tweezer, you must be careful so you don't put too much pressure on the lace so you won't tear the lace. So you got to have control of the lace. Please have control. See, perfect parting. Now we're about to do the serious part of this look. Make sure you secure the unit so that it does not move as you are cutting. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the back first. And we just want to keep going up. I'm looking to have like a choppy look, so ain't no particular way I'm cutting. I'm just looking at the back to see where I need to chop. Basically, your eyes helping you to make the cut. And you go back up, you lift it up a little bit to get volume. And you just keep on doing just that. You notice I'm lifting the hair up. That helps you to get a lot of volume. Just that simple. You can pretty much already see what I'm going for. Y'all see it? Yes, perfect cut. I totally forgot to plug. Okay, so I'm gonna do it right now. It's never too late, but I love to do it while the hair is damp. But here we go. I gotta let you guys know that I don't like to over pluck my unit due to the fact that the wigs start thinning way ahead of time when you over pluck. So if you would like your unit to last you for a couple wears, don't do it. Trust me. Okay, time to curl. You notice I'm using my flat iron back there because I want the back to stay down. I don't want it to look curled. As I go up, you're going to notice that I'm using my curling iron because I want a lot of bounce, a lot of movement with this unit. I want it to look so natural. So to achieve that, your curls have to be done properly. Look at the directions that I do the curls once I start using the iron. Do you guys see the body already? The iron did that. And by the way, I am not using any holding spray. I'm using heat protector. Now I'm going to pin the curls on top. Whew. Thank God I'm done curling. Takes time, but it's worth it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys love this video. I enjoyed styling this unit. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys next time. Bye-bye.